So, came to Trader Joe's with my daughter, and we have Forsythia branches. It looks like you get, I don't know, 10 pieces for $8, or they can come cut mine. I won't even charge them. And then Pussy Willow bunches is $4.99, and look, everybody bought them. Wow. Cut daffodils. About 6 pieces, $1.49. So here's $1.99 for a quart of shelf-stable milk if you like almond milk, which we do. They have different kinds. And then you can get soy milk for $1.79. Rice milk is also shelf-stable. Coconut beverage, I don't know if that's milk or not. They have different kinds. But this is the one that we're trying. And I was tempted to try that one, but I think it had carbs. Yep, 9 carbs and added sugar. Seasonings at Trader Joe's are $1.99, and to me that's a good price. So yeah. And while minced garlic is always good to have, 8 ounces for $1.99 is not a good price, so we would get that at Sam's Club or Walmart. Then there's the organic vegetarian chili, $2.29 a can. I wouldn't spend that much for that, and if my daughter puts this in her buggy after I just made her a big pot of vegetarian chili, yeah, we'll probably get thrown out of here. So normally I stick with Philadelphia cream cheese, but at $1.69 instead of $1.99, I'll try Trader Joe's this time. Then there's the Irish Kerrygold butter for $3.19 for a half a pound. It's a little less costly at Walmart, so we'll skip that. And the butter is about the same price, so we're gonna grab a pound of butter. Okay, and my daughter just said, "Mom, look what I found." Yes, she did that. So I guess we're gonna dial 911 now. So we're getting close to the favorite reason for coming to Trader Joe's. These are speculoos cookies, but we need the speculoos cookie butter. Oh, and good thing I'm here without my husband, because otherwise we'd be getting this tiramisu torte. But I'll take a nice picture of it for him. I'm not sure how long-term storage would last on some pumpkin seeds, but at these prices, doesn't it make you want to plant your garden and grow some pumpkins? Okay, we have a 1.4 ounce bag of crispy crunchy broccoli florets for $2.99. How do you get a broccoli floret to be crispy and crunchy unless you freeze dried it? Well, good thing I've got Fred at home waiting for me. And as far as I'm concerned, the main reason to ever come to Trader Joe's, the cookie butter. We don't like that one, the cocoa swirl. But yeah, these two, oh yeah, we really like them, but well, I guess I'll be buying them for my son and grandson. Did you like the variety of honey that they have here? Some mesquite honey. That's 3 pounds for $12. I feel like that's a really low price. Honey with honeycomb, that's a pound for $6.50. Then they've got some creamed honey. Looks like we have $7.50, 16-ounce honey. Manuka honey, $14 for a half a pound. Organic raw honey, Trader Joe's brand, $6 a pound. And then the regular generic honey. I think we're gonna try the mesquite honey and maybe a Manuka. And here we have organic black beans, not even a pound. They're in water, so the water weighs something. It's only $1, but if you buy a pound of black beans at the dollar store, you would probably end up with 4 or 5 of these if you learned how to can them. So yeah, we pass on those too. So here's another good thing that you want to keep in your food supply. At $2.49 for 17 ounces, it's not bad, but if you can go to Walmart, I think you would get the other brands for a little less pricey. These shelf-stable food soups are really good, Trader Joe's, and I think I've tried them all. Although last year they were $1.99 and this year they are $2.99. And this was another reason I always used to come to Trader Joe's, was to get their cocoa. 9 ounces was $1.99, which made it cheaper than getting it elsewhere, particularly Walmart. Or Aldi. I used to get it at Aldi. I guess I'm going back to Aldi because it's not $1.99 anymore. It's $2.49. Here's a Spanish saffron, $5.99 for 0.02 ounces. Pretty sure that's the most expensive spice in the world. Here's a peppercorn grinder that's $2.29. That also was $1.99 the last time I was here. Everything has just increased in price so much. I am going to grab one of these rainbow peppercorns though, because it's the one my son-in-law likes and he's out of it. I used to get these right here, the salt grinders for our storage, but I don't do that anymore because I started getting salt for $2.50 a pound on Amazon instead of $2 for 4 ounces, which is what, $8 a pound. And wait till you see my next haul video where I stocked up on salt at Ollie's. And here's another thing I'm getting. I usually pay $1.99 for dark chocolate, but this 100% dark chocolate absolute black, $2.69. Yeah, I have to try that. And here's one of the fats we like to store. This is $9 for 17 ounces of Chosen Foods avocado oil, and I'm not going to grab that here. And we're ready to go, so I guess that's the end of the video. And here's just a quick pan over of our buggy. We're not getting much. Oh, what's that? Oh, those look good. Pasta? Oh, cauliflower bowl. Looks good. Uh-oh, what do I have here? Mango sticky rice spring roll. We know who the vegetarian is.